Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Hi, this is me, Amrita Rao, and I'm on Pink Villa.
Hi, I'm Nawazuddin Siddiqui. You're watching me on Pink Villa.
पहले आप कास्ट हुए थे
पहले आप
अच्छा ठीक है When I got to know that I was playing Meena Tai's role, it was more like okay, thank you so much, because it was more like a compliment paid to me. It was an honor actually when the makers told me that Meena Tai had a very pure and a pious image, and because of, I mean, you have the same persona in the minds of the audience because of the roles that you have played, and hence only you and nobody else for Meena Tai. So I really thought that was an overwhelming compliment, and that's why my reaction was like, okay, fine.
मुझे जब मिला तो मुझे खुशी के साथ नर्वसनेस भी हुई थी, क्योंकि बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट कैरेक्टर था, कैसे करेंगे, क्या कैसे होगा, एक तो वो था, और एक दूसरी और खुशी हुई थी मुझे जब पता चला कि आप मीना ताई का रोल कर रही हैं.
How sweet.
तो मुझे इनके सारे जितनी फिल्मों के गाने थे ना, खट 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 के सारे एकदम मेरे दिमाग में आ गए थे.
Thank you. Well, I stayed very close to Shivaji Park, and I used to go to Shivaji Park for walks, I remember. And my first memory of Meena Tai was when I was a kid in school. I remember on the intercom there was an announcement that Meena Tai has passed away, and we are closing the school, and you know, it's a break, you guys can go home. So for a kid to suddenly get a holiday in the middle of a regular working school day is very different. It's an unusual memory, so it stayed with me. That moment stayed with me. Now I'm not sure if all the other 50 girls in the class along with me also remember that moment, but for some reason I remember that moment. A couple of years later, when you know, like I saw the Meena Tai statue in Shivaji Park, when that was installed, that school memory came back, and I have walked past that statue several times when I was taking a walk in Shivaji Park as the regular girl, never knowing that one day I'm going to give face to that statue. So it's an amazing feeling, and also of course, knowing anyone who is born and brought up in Mumbai and Maharashtra definitely knows how the family, the Thackeray family, of course Bala Saheb Thackeray was revered. It's a very different kind of reverence. You know, it's not just, oh, because you are ruling right now, we are respecting you. It's beyond that. You know, they're so enthralled and in devotion with that persona that continues, whether that even after the person is not in this world, which is rare actually. Well, I haven't chosen, I did not even choose my entry in Bollywood actually. I think it was all planned the way things happened. I had taken a conscious break from films, not really from acting, because I debuted in television in 2016 with the Finite series, Meri Awaaz Hi Pehchan Hai. This role of Meena Tai just walked up to me. I mean, again, I believe I was destined to play Meena Tai, and perhaps hence I had those rare memories of, you know, the time when Meena Tai had passed away and the school made that announcement. It's all very surreal actually, passing by Shivaji Park and looking at her statue and remembering, and now playing her. So yeah, the role, I didn't choose the role chose me. Actually, the definition of comeback needs to be little more I think specific. Somebody should specify the definition, because you know, like coming again and coming back and hiatus and all these words are a little vague, you know, for somebody who chooses to act on a different medium. And I think now with Finite series and the whole thing of digitalization, 70mm is not the only medium for an actor to communicate with the audience, you know. And I think now that I'm back, I feel that with this break I've come with some renewed freshness. I've come with more maturity, because I've lived more life, more real life. I think हम सब real life से प्रेरणा ढूंढते हैं, you know, एक जब हम एक character को build करते हैं. And I'd like to definitely explore something new now, like not the regular stuff. Yeah, and looking forward to finite series as well.
प्रिपरेशन के बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं एक्चुअली. पहले तो ऑफकोर्स जो उनके जितने भी इंटरनेट पे बाड़ा साहब की स्पीचेस थी, इंटरव्यूज़ थे, वो सारे देखे. उसके बाद कि वो पर्सनली जो जिसके वीडियोस या इस तरह की चीज़ें नहीं मिल सकती कि वो पर्सनली किस तरीके के इंसान थे, वो उनका सबसे कोई ख़ास इंसान ही बता सकता था. उसके लिए मैं घर पे भी गया, बाड़ा साहब के रूम में भी बैठा काफ़ी टाइम तक, और एक फीलिंग के लेवल पे और जो इन्फॉर्मेशन मुझे कलेक्ट करनी थी, वो राव साहब ने बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन दी अबाउट बाड़ा साहब के. वो पर्सनल स्पेस में प्राइवेटली कैसे रहते थे, क्या थॉट थे उनके, किस तरीके से सोचते थे, वो उस पे काम किया गया. और बायोपिक पे मोस्टली उसी चीज़ पे फोकस करना चाहिए. जो पब्लिक इमेज होती है वो तो ठीक है, बट उसके अलावा जो पर्सनल एक प्राइवेटली जो बिहेवियर होता है उनका, उस पर ज़्यादा फोकस किया हम लोगों ने, एक कोशिश की है. तो इस तरह की प्रिपरेशन रहती थी. जब भी कोई चैलेंजिंग, किसी भी एक्टर के साथ जब भी कोई चैलेंजिंग रोल मिलता है, उसको खुशी बहुत होती है एक्चुअली, क्योंकि उसमें उसको लगता है कि मुझे मज़ा उन्हीं फिल्मों में आता है जिसमें फिल्म ख़त्म होने के बाद लगे कि हाँ वाकई कुछ किया है, यू नो. तो जितना भी चैलेंजिंग होगा उतना ही खुशी होती है. जिन लोगों ने ट्रेलर देखा उनको ये भी एट द सेम टाइम उनको गूज़बम्प भी होते हैं कि इतना खूबसूरत ट्रेलर बनाया है. एज़ पर इज़ कंट्रोवर्शियल जो चीज़ें आप बोल रही हैं वो तो हज़ारों लोगों की अपनी अपनी राय होती हैं, क्या सही है क्या गलत है, उस पर हर एक आदमी की अपनी ओपिनियन होती है, वो होनी भी चाहिए, वो कर रहे हैं लोग तो. बट हमें मालूम है कि हमने एक फ़िल्म बनाई है और जिसके पीछे बहुत सारे लोगों की मेहनत है, बहुत सारा रिसर्च वर्क है. फ़िल्म को रिलीज़ होने के बाद आप डिसाइड करें अगर क्या सही है क्या गलत है. अभी तो ट्रेलर आया है, वो 2 मिनट में आप किसी ओपिनियन पे पहुंच रहे हैं, वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादती लगती है मुझे. और फिल्म की तरह देखनी चाहिए, थोड़ा सा अपने दिमागों को ना थोड़ा खोलना चाहिए. जैसे वेस्ट में बायोपिक बनती हैं, जो ज़िंदा होते हैं उनके ऊपर भी, जो जा चुके होते हैं उनके ऊपर भी बायोपिक भी इतना हाय हुल्ला नहीं मचता, क्योंकि ये फ़िल्म है और फिल्म को फिल्म की तरीके से लेनी चाहिए. मुझे बाड़ा साहब की जो सबसे ख़ास बात पसंद थी वो ये थी कि उनके अंदर बिल्कुल भी हिपोक्रेसी नहीं थी. जो सामने थे वही अंदर थे. वो
What I like about Meenatai really is that selfless space that she so gracefully took upon her, you know, and that's a space which almost every woman in India or perhaps in the world, whoever is a mom, a wife, a responsible sister, they take this space so gracefully, and it's a very thankless space to be in. You know, nobody is like patting your back, or you're not seeing yourself, center stage in the newspapers. It is just knowing that, okay, if I take this responsibility, then the other person will do his work or his responsibilities with more comfort and easily. So, I mean, I can relate my mom doing that for me. You know, when I started so young, she was managing the household operations and physically being with me everywhere so gracefully with no complaint, and it's a very thankless space. So I really admire, and I'm very fortunate that I could bring out a character in that space in front of the audience through Meenatai Thakre. Not for me actually. I also heard that Sanjay Raut sir and Uddhav Thackeray ji apparently searched a lot of video references, personal video, to find some audio video reference of Meenatai ji for me, but there was none. And my only reference point was a couple of photographs, and of course a rare Marathi interview of Bala Saheb's sister, Mrs. Sanjeevani Karandikar, and that was like my only clue in for Meenatai Thakre. I met the Thakre family much later actually. Yeah. It's wonderful. I think the audience will get a variety. Both the films are of people who are very strong and valiant and who fought for what they believed in, their conviction. So I think let the brave win. The message we want to give is that biopics are not easy to make, you know, and especially on a personality like Balasaheb Thackeray, who has had such a varied graph in his life. It's not easy to encapsulate that in just 2.5 hours and, you know, present it. We've tried our best to bring the essence of the man out for the audience, and we really hope that, you know, we've worked very hard. We really hope that on 25th of Jan people go and remember Balasaheb Thackeray.